Mysterious, controversial, otherworldly, the Baltic Sea anomaly has puzzled scientists and sparked countless theories since its discovery on the ocean floor. Could it be an ancient artifact, a natural formation, or something far more extraordinary? Let's watch the story of the Baltic Sea anomaly, exploring its discovery, the controversies surrounding it, and the wild theories it has inspired. The Baltic Sea is a place of stark beauty and ancient mystery. With its cold, dark waters and shipwreck-strewn seabed, it has been the site of countless legends and discoveries. But in the summer of 2011, a Swedish expedition team known as Ocean X stumbled upon a discovery so perplexing it defied explanation. Dubbed the Baltic Sea anomaly, this underwater find has captivated scientists, adventurers, and conspiracy theorists alike. Was it an alien craft, a relic of a forgotten civilization, or merely a strange natural formation? Over a decade later, the questions remain unanswered, leaving us with only theories, tantalizing details, and an enduring mystery. The discovery. A chance encounter. The Ocean X team was no stranger to underwater exploration. Founded by Peter Lindbergh and Dennis Asberg, the group had a reputation for uncovering sunken treasures. Their 1997 recovery of 3,000 bottles of champagne and 14 barrels of cognac from a World War I shipwreck in the Baltic Sea cemented their status as seasoned maritime explorers. In 2011, their focus turned to the Gulf of Bothnia, a remote stretch of the Baltic Sea between Sweden and Finland. Armed with sonar equipment, they were on the hunt for undiscovered shipwrecks. What they found instead would leave them questioning the limits of their understanding. While scanning the seabed, their sonar detected an unusual shape. At a depth of approximately 300 feet lay a massive circular object, roughly 200 feet in diameter. Its shape and size were unlike any known shipwreck. Even more puzzling, a 1,000-foot-long runway stretched behind it, as if the object had skidded along the seabed to its final resting place. At first, the team was elated, but their excitement was tempered by the realization that they lacked the equipment to investigate further. The mystery would have to wait until they were better prepared. Preparations for a closer look. The initial sonar images raised more questions than answers. The object's circular shape and distinct grooves hinted at an artificial origin. Some patterns resembled corridors or rooms, leading to speculation that it might be a structure of some kind. The images sparked intense debates among experts, with some suggesting it could be a prehistoric artifact, while others hypothesized it might be a remnant of advanced technology lost to time. The symmetry of the grooves, in particular, drew comparisons to human-engineered designs, raising hopes of a groundbreaking discovery. Back on land, the team analyzed the sonar data in detail, sharing their findings with experts. Theories began to emerge, ranging from the mundane to the extraordinary. The more they examined the data, the more it seemed to defy simple explanation. But no one could agree on what the anomaly was. Determined to uncover the truth, Ocean X prepared for a follow-up expedition, this time with better technology and a renewed sense of purpose. The first expedition, Mystery Deepens, in 2012, Ocean X returned to the site with advanced equipment, including remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, and high-definition cameras. Their journey to the site was fraught with challenges. Rough seas and poor weather tested the crew's resolve. As they finally arrived and began deploying their equipment, the real troubles began. As soon as their ROVs neared the anomaly, the equipment began malfunctioning. Cameras lost power, sensors failed. Even satellite phones aboard the ship were inexplicably drained of energy. The electromagnetic interference seemed localized to the anomaly, as if the object itself was emitting some kind of field. Despite these setbacks, the team managed to capture some video footage. What they saw only deepened the mystery. The object's surface was riddled with grooves and patterns that did not appear natural. Perfectly circular holes were bored into its structure, as if by design. Divers who ventured down reported seeing what looked like a stone staircase leading to a domed compartment. Each new detail added to the puzzle. If this was a natural formation, how could it exhibit such precise features? And if it was artificial, who or what had built it? Theories, from the plausible to the fantastic. The Baltic Sea anomaly quickly became a global sensation. Experts from various fields weighed in, offering competing theories about its origin. Natural formation. Some geologists argued that the anomaly was a glacial deposit. During the Ice Age, retreating glaciers carved and shaped the seabed, leaving behind unusual formations. The grooves and patterns, they claimed, could be explained by natural processes. They emphasized that similar structures had been found in other parts of the world, often mistaken for artificial creations. Additionally, the Baltic Sea's unique sediment composition could account for the anomaly's strange appearance. However, critics of this theory noted that the precision of the grooves seemed too exact for a purely natural origin. Ancient artifact. Archaeologists were intrigued by the anomaly's design, which bore a resemblance to ancient structures. Could this be a temple or monument from a long-lost civilization? If so, it might be a discovery as significant as the pyramids or Stonehenge. The perfectly circular holes and step-like features led some to believe it was crafted by skilled hands, potentially serving a ceremonial or navigational purpose. Proponents of this theory pointed to myths of underwater cities in the Baltic region, suggesting the anomaly might validate those legends. Sunken ship or submarine. Given the Baltic Sea's history as a battleground during World Wars I and II, some speculated that the anomaly could be a secret military vessel. Its strange features might be remnants of experimental technology. The circular design could indicate a prototype submarine or an unknown type of warship lost during the conflict. Enthusiasts of this theory noted that the Baltic Sea was home to numerous covert military operations, making such a discovery plausible. Extraterrestrial craft. The most sensational theory was that the anomaly was a UFO. Proponents pointed to the electromagnetic interference as evidence of advanced alien technology. The runway, they suggested, was a skid mark from the craft's crash landing. Believers highlighted the anomaly's stark differences from earthly designs, asserting that it could be a remnant of an alien visit in antiquity. They also speculated that the anomaly's location, deep beneath the sea, might have been chosen deliberately to avoid detection. A hoax. Skeptics accused Ocean X of fabricating the discovery to gain fame and funding. However, the team's reputation and the corroborating sonar data made this theory less likely. Some skeptics suggested the anomaly could be an elaborate publicity stunt to attract investors for future expeditions. Others speculated that the team might have misinterpreted natural sonar readings as something extraordinary. Despite these claims, Ocean X has consistently defended their findings, inviting independent researchers to verify the anomaly's existence and characteristics. Historical context. Legends of the Baltic. The Baltic Sea has long been a place of intrigue. Its cold, dark waters have preserved countless shipwrecks and artifacts, offering a glimpse into history. But it has also been the site of strange phenomena, from ghost ships to unexplained lights. Could the anomaly be connected to these legends? Some researchers have drawn parallels between the anomaly and ancient myths of underwater cities or lost continents. The idea of a Baltic Atlantis captured the public's imagination, adding to the mystique. The anomaly's strange effects. One of the most baffling aspects of the Baltic Sea anomaly is its effect on technology. Instruments that worked perfectly elsewhere would fail near the object. ROVs lost power. Communication devices went dead. Even compasses behaved erratically, as if influenced by a magnetic force. These effects have fueled speculation about the anomaly's nature. If it is artificial, could it still be active in some way? And, if it is natural, what could cause such phenomena? The legacy of Ocean X. For Ocean X, the anomaly was a double-edged sword. It brought them international fame, but also scrutiny. Critics questioned their findings, while supporters urged them to continue their investigation. Over the years, the team has conducted additional expeditions, each time uncovering new details but no definitive answers. Despite the challenges, they remain committed to solving the mystery. Unanswered questions. The Baltic Sea anomaly leaves us with more questions than answers. What caused the electromagnetic interference? Why does the anomaly resemble a constructed object? Could it be a relic of an unknown civilization or evidence of extraterrestrial life? Why hasn't further exploration yielded conclusive results? Each question invites speculation, but without concrete evidence, the mystery endures. A window into the unknown. The Baltic Sea anomaly is more than just a curiosity. It's a reminder of how much we have yet to discover about our planet. The oceans cover over 70% of Earth's surface, yet we have explored less than 20% of them. What other mysteries lie hidden in the depths? For now, the anomaly remains an enigma. It challenges our understanding of history, science, and the boundaries of human knowledge. Whether a natural wonder, an ancient artifact, or something far stranger, it continues to inspire wonder and curiosity. As Ocean X prepares for future expeditions, one thing is certain: the Baltic Sea anomaly will remain a source of fascination for years to come. So, what do you think the Baltic Sea anomaly really is? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to watch more intriguing stories and investigations into the unknown. Thanks for watching, stay curious, stay adventurous, and let's keep exploring the mysteries of our world together.